Okay, continue. Hi everyone. So I'm Hannah.
I'm Madison.
And we're from Robotics. And before we start, we're gonna show you a promotion video. Oh, hang on. We're gonna wait for someone else to connect to the audio. I don't know if they can hear us, but it says they're connecting. And just so you know, you guys can unmute when we are done playing the video. I know. Okay, so they're not connected to the audio. Oh, wait, what? I don't know what that means.
I don't either. I think they're on a phone.
I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna start the video.
Wait, someone just
What?
Chat.
Oh, okay. I can't. Oh my god, I'm so. Did I not just?
You did.
I just did. I did put you. I don't. That might have been from earlier. Anyway, okay. So we're playing the video now.
Hi, I'm Ryan Hanley, and I am excited to be your tour guide for the Robotics and Electronics program here at K-Tech today. And if we come on over here, we'll see that Drew is doing something with the robot. What are you doing, Drew? I'm currently working on my project from class. I have to build this robot to lift the ball to different levels to get it to different heights, and I made a drivetrain to drive it around. Yeah, we're manipulating this ball here, drive around to get it, and yeah, it's a really fun project, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm gonna go see what Daniel is doing. Daniel, what are you doing?
Right now we're using parts from Midnight here and this to build our stepper motor for a robot. Like you said, we're building for competition for multiple heights. So I'm going to be lifting this arm right here up and down using the stepper fit piece. And right now what I'm currently doing is trying to get this overhead piece so it doesn't get too high up.
Eric?
Yes, hi.
You want to show us the 3D printers?
Sure. So this is our 3D printer makerspace. Currently, we're printing a part for our full pull challenge that we're doing in second year.
All right, now we're going to take a look at SolidWorks, which is our CAD program, our computer-aided design. And Alexa is going to be showing us that. What are you doing right now, Alexa?
I am switching the gears for my CAD in robotics. We normally do CADing first, but we have to change the gears, so I'm doing it. And the bot is for the full pull, where we have to pull the trailer that's full of weights.
Now let me show you some programming. This is how we make all the bots work, drive, function as they need to. And on this screen here, I have the program for my junior year bot, which is right here. Its goal is to drive around the top floor of the hallway of the school using no human interaction at all. It can do it autonomously by itself. And we're using this programming to help to have us do that.
Hello, my name is Montas. I am a graduated student of K-Tech. I originally came here for robotics, which I learned many different skills, and I got a couple certifications, such as my SolidWorks certification. I got certified in electronics, mechanical, and programming. And now I'm going to college to become a mechanical engineer currently. And the whole point of the class is so you could learn engineering of any field. You're not limited to mechanics, electronics, or anything. It's just all engineering. And currently with our world, engineering is everywhere as technology just keeps evolving.
All right, now welcome to the electronics room. This is the place where you learn about everything we can about electronics, such as the difference between AC and DC current, what voltage is, what amperage is, what power is, and what the difference between them all is. And now I'm going to show you guys a project that has been going on by Teo and Chase. Teo and Chase, what are you guys working on?
Okay, so right here is the lab vault system. Right here is where you can do electronic training and other sorts of certain types of things. Like turning all of this on. We'll then turn on this AC drive, which just helps run this motor. and this DC drive help run this motor right here. On the other side, we have a two-way motor,
which is demonstrated by this. You can easily flip it on and flip the switches, make it spin one way, and then easily make it spin another.
All right, what's great about the electronics and robotics program is that not only do they have the 2 rooms that you've seen, but they also have this big room, which you see behind me, where they do all sorts of different projects, like the ones that are going on right now. Let's go see. How does this work, and what are you guys doing?
Okay, so this is the CNC router.
And what we do is we take parts that they design over there in CAD, which is computer automated design, and we turn it into CAM, which is
Computer aided manufacturing. And we take the program that they made and we put it into the computer. The computer runs the machine, which manufactures the part.
Thank you guys for showing us this amazing machine.
anytime.
All right, we're gonna go see the next machine over here. Well, now we're at this machine. Eric, well, what is this?
So this is a metal lathe. These is turning to machine metal into more desirable parts in order to build things with. For example, here we have a rod which is 17 millimeters across, and we need it to be 16 in order to fit into here. And normally you'd have to adjust these around, but they're already where they need to be. And then you shave it down like so.
Don't forget the road safety goggles. Now let's go look at another state-of-the-art machine, the laser cut.
This is the laser engraver. I manufacture parts up to 1/4 inch thickness. Right now, I am doing a student of the month here to help out the school.
Okay, so
Welcome
sorry, this
to
is
the-
not biomed, but so that was our promotional video, and if you guys have any questions, like I said, you can unmute yourselves and ask, or you can just type it in the chat. But yeah, does anyone have any questions about our program? Yeah, like one of the students said in the video, this focuses on engineering. Like, it's more broad. It's not just one thing or the other. Sorry. Because we learn about all types of engineering and stuff like that. Like in foundations of robotics, we learned about different
All of them.
yeah, we
basically.
learned about like a lot of different fields that we can go into, electrical, mechanical,
Civil.
just everything we learned.
aerospace.
So this isn't closed off. Like, we can after this kind of figure out what we want to do if we do end up deciding we want to do engineering. But yeah, this is
It gets you ready for all of the different fields of
Yeah.
engineering, but it does focus on engineering, and then it basically focuses on building, then coding and electronics. But if you want to focus on like one particular area, you can start doing that with your classwork.
Does anyone else have any questions? What do you learn?
When do you learn?
Oh, when? Sorry,
programming?
I thought you, sorry, I can't read apparently. We learned programming actually in first year. So if you're coming in as a freshman, or not even a freshman, if you're coming in, because I came in junior year and I was taking foundations, we learned in the second semester of our foundations year.
It's foundation robotics, design,
Essentials,
essentials, and then what's third?
robotic systems of designs, and then there's fourth year robotics. I don't know what that's called because I'm not in it, but
The first the first
I don't
half
actually
of
like for
foundation.
us at least for foundations. We learned programming in second semester, but they're learning right now. I know the freshmen are learning things that we learned in second semester now, so he might change the curriculum a little bit, but we do learn it first year.
You learn all the same material. It just depends on
On what time you
yeah.
learn it. Like I don't know if he's doing the same exact thing that he did with us, but they are going to be doing the same material in
When-
first year.
Yeah, when we were in foundation of robotics, we got bots that the second years made, and we had to program it to do a course and like do multiple courses.
On a table.
Yeah.
I'm currently enrolled in second year. Sorry, I'm enrolled in second year robotics and third year.
We talked about the autonomous.
What?
Autonomous.
Yeah.
the third.
At the same time, and she's also enrolled in second year, and we're learning this same thing because we're in the same class.
Yeah.
Sorry,
That's okay.
but we just finished a project. If you wanna-
It was called full pull. We had a robot. It had to be under 6 pounds. It had to be 12 by 12 by 8. So length 12, width 12, and then height 8. And it had to be able to pull a trailer that was 10 pounds, and then you add 2.5 pound weights to it till you get to 27 pounds, and it has to pull it across the course. It's just a straight line. I forget how long it is, but it's under 2 minutes. And we had to design a hitch in SolidWorks, which is the software we use for CADing, and then we had to 3D print it and attach it to our bot.
So it's very hands-on,
Yeah.
basically. And in my third year, we had to design a robot to autonomously go around the upstairs of our school and like avoid obstacles like trash cans, all by itself. And there's a lot because we have to do it ourselves as a team. Usually, we come up with the design, the build, everything like that, and the program, obviously.
It's basically just get handed we just have bins of materials, and he says do whatever you want, and the teams are randomly assigned by cards. It isn't like you getting to pick with your best friend, so there's no people left out, and it's just you learn and get to work with everyone.
And it's like a lot of problem solving, so if you like that hands-on building, it's a good program for that. First year, coming into the program initially, you have book work, but it's not too bad, and we don't have homework much, at least.
I think it was maybe like once a
We have to
month.
do a SolidWorks part every week.
You get
that's
class
not
time to do that.
that's not that bad. But so yeah, you can. I came.
We both came in with this one
there's
question at a
another
time. We
question.
both came in with no previous knowledge. He teaches it all. The first semester of the first course, you basically learn all of the fundamentals. That's why it's fundamentals.
I had no
of robotics.
idea about anything at all. Coming in, I learned everything in last year, and I came in as a junior, and I'm a senior. But
you get like
if you have been coming from like another school, like another high school, and you did like robotics there, I know some kids right now are in second year and they've already taken like the course at their other high school, so they come in and skip a year. But no, you don't need to come into our program initially with any knowledge of it.
you get certifications, like you get certified in SolidWorks.
We just did that certification for
What was it?
I don't know. I took some other ones. Like I took electricity, and
you get
I don't know what that's called though.
You get one for the first year for foundations, basically showing that you know like all of the basics.
The fundamentals. It goes over things that we learned that year.
There's one each year, but I can't. This is so bad. We can't exactly remember exactly what it's for, but you get like 5 certifications, one each year, and then you get one for SolidWorks because you have to take that one the first year.
Wait, you take some? I think you take some.
Did we?
I think they're taking it in fourth year. Fourth year, they're taking it. They take it because they haven't even taken it.
Well, you learn about it throughout the years, though. You get tests.
But yeah, you do get certified. I'm personally, since I came in so late as a junior, I can test for my certification in SolidWorks. And I did get some other certifications for those tests we talked about. I don't remember what it's called. It's so bad. We do get certifications. when
Trying
we-
to just mess this up.
I'm pretty sure though under our website it does
It does
it does
all the
tell you. You can go
certifications.
under our program and it tells you what certifications we get. I'm sorry I can't like specifically. But
No problem. Is there any other questions?
well, if there's no more questions, we kind of went over everything like our experience and stuff. But oh sorry.
No,
Oh that's
this
not
is
never
Jack.
mind. Okay. But we really enjoy it ourselves. I really like building and having that hands-on experience and being able to take a break. Thank you.
Thank you for asking questions.
Because yeah, our last we didn't really get many questions. We didn't get any questions actually. So thank you for participating. Thank you also. Oh, what did you find that?
Basically, teamwork is actually kind of the hardest. It's not necessarily coming up with ideas, but you have to think as a team.
I think personally, for me, I have, I guess, like apparently more of a leadership like personality, so I don't
So
really
do
have a
I.
problem with like teamwork because I can get
It's-
people to work together even if they don't want to.
It's the communication.
But for
part.
me, I think coding is hard. Like, it's different
Oh,
for
that's
everyone.
true.
Some people don't like building. Some people like coding more. I personally find it really hard to code sometimes because it doesn't always work out the way you want it to.
I haven't
Troubleshoot a
coded
lot.
that much. I've only really built and then used
Yeah,
SolidWorks.
in
So I'm
in my
stronger at
third
that.
year class, I have helped my teammate code, and it was really we didn't even finish what we wanted to. We didn't get done what we wanted to get done. It didn't really work out the way we wanted it to. So it's a lot of troubleshooting and trying to problem solve and use logic and stuff like that. So that's what I find challenging. I personally like building too. I just almost but yeah, that's what I find challenging. Is that all? Is that all? Do you have any more questions? Yeah, no problem.
All right. We're gonna end the meeting.
If
Thank
you guys don't have any more questions, unless
for-
you do,
Yeah, I think we're good.
we have like
Mhm.
2 minutes anyway, though.